If you want to disable call waiting on your iPhone, then here's how to do it. For this tutorial, I'm using the iPhone 14 Pro running iOS 16, but you can follow these same instructions for pretty much any iPhone. Go to Settings. On the main settings page, scroll down to Phone, tap on that. Under Phone, go to Call Waiting, tap on that. Now, since I have a dual SIM iPhone, it's going to give me two options for the primary SIM card and the secondary SIM card. If you don't have a dual SIM iPhone, then you might not see this part. So let me just choose my primary SIM card. And then now we have this option. Call waiting. When this toggle button is on, it means call waiting is enabled. So to disable call waiting, simply turn that off. And that's going to turn off call waiting on your iPhone. Now, if you want to, you can do the same for the other SIM card if you have a dual SIM iPhone. Otherwise, you can go back all the way to the home screen. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.